screen, huh?
Ma'am, page formatting we will start from.
All of you are able to see it?
Yes, ma'am. But this is not our computer book, ma'am.
No. Just look at this.
Yes, ma'am.
Just look at this. Acha, first let me explain page size. How to change or how to take that page size. How to get that page size option. Acha, before that, page formatting means I told that about margin. Okay. Where we have to go? All of you are able to see the screen, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So where we have to go? We have to go page layout. There is one option, layout.
Yes,
All of you are able. I have clicked on this option. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, the screen stop, ma'am.
Why?
Yes, we can't see that pen.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
layout.
You cannot see. I have clicked on layout.
Yes, ma'am. Now.
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
okay.
Look, so many options are there now. Now, at first today I'll explain about these three. First one, look, margin, then orientation, then size and columns. Okay. Now first about margin. Look, it is. Acha, margin to done na in the last class.
No, ma'am.
Page formatting. Suppose you want to basically mark.
Also not.
Acha, suppose in that page formatting, basically what to do first, margin. How to take margin to look. Last custom setting, okay. This one, which one you have set the custom, okay. Look, normal, narrow, moderate, wide, this type of margin you can set on the page where you want to type something or you are writing something. Is it clear? Suppose the margin you can set of your choice. Look, suppose you want to change. Margin means basically what? In the left side, there will be some space. Right side, some space. In the upper and in the lower. Top and bottom. Top, bottom and left, right. Yes, Tom. Now, that will be of your choice. Look, there is one option, custom margins. Are you able to see it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. At the bottom or at the last.
Okay, if I select on this, look at this. Evelyn, mute yourself. So look, here it is given top, left, okay. Acha, gutter is given. Gutter. Basically, gutter means suppose that left side space when we are going to print something, okay. Then we should give a little bit space in the left side so that we can print the page properly, okay. That space is known as gutter. Understood? Achha, now look at this. Here you can change of your choice. Look, I am changing it 1.8 centimeter, 2.2. Understood? Now the left one also. Clear? So the margin you can set or you can change of your choice. This one is clear or not? Trisha, Ipshita. Achha, yes. Now
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
I don't. Am I audible to you properly? So yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Your voice is
Yes,
clear.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Your voice is clear.
Clear to? Okay. Achha, now look. Again, I am coming back. Page size. Look. These are the size. Suppose I want to take A3 page. Look. This is the size. I have clicked and you can see the changes. Look, suppose I am taking normal or letter size. Then we'll get back the page. Understood? A4 page.
Yes.
Okay, clear or no? Anushka?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
How does it change? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now orientation means nothing. Only the portrait form or landscape. The mode will be either in landscape or portrait. What does portrait means? Show Jashish.
Ma'am, upright.
Basically, this one is vertical way or horizontal way?
Ma'am, horizon. Ma'am.
Horizontal.
Yes, ma'am.
Vertical horizontal.
Which one? Vertical or horizontal?
Portrait is vertical and landscape is horizontal.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, I cannot
Yes,
hear you
ma'am.
properly. Say.
Ma'am,
And portrait is vertical and landscape is
I am showing
horizontal.
you. I am showing you.
Yes,
Huh?
ma'am.
Look, this one, and I am showing you. Just wait
Yes,
for a
ma'am.
minute. This one is what?
Ma'am, portrait.
Vertical.
No, ma'am. Landscape.
Landscape. Exactly.
Now it is bigger.
But
Acha, this one?
portrait.
Ma'am, portrait.
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 Then portrait.
This one portrait. So now this one is clear to that vertical horizontal.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, now, so if just click anywhere of that part, suppose you want to make this in portrait mode or landscape mode, okay, then just go to page layout, okay, then page orientation. Acha, there will be one option more page setup, okay. Yes, say. What? Acha, okay, now yes. Look. What are you saying? Can you hear any? I cannot hear you properly.
Ma'am, I am telling that show me the orientation properly.
Oh,
I think this
orientation.
one. The recording is going on now. That's why sometimes network issue is there. I stopped. It has been paused, huh? Now can you hear me properly?
Ma'am, voice is clear.
We can hear you properly, but the screen is pausing. Means not
Ma'am,
in the correct manner.
So that is
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Ujjan is saying that we haven't understood the orientation.
Yes, ma'am.
my video is paused. What is going on?
Yes, ma'am. It is now also in the column section. Your video is paused. It is now also in the column section.
Remove column.
The weather is very bad.
Add or
Today's
remove
weather is very
column.
bad. Now I can hear you. Okay, now I can hear you. Acha, so
Ma'am, your screen is
Still there.
I was
And ma'am,
now it is okay too.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now it is. Yes,
So
ma'am.
now look at this.
Yeah.
So just note down 2 points. In your copy, note down 2 points. So portrait is when the frame is in a vertical way. Right?
Ma'am, voice stop. Ma'am, voice is made freezing.
The other student, can you hear me?
Yes,
Ishika,
sir,
you
we
can
can hear again. Ma'am, repeat it again.
Hi, yes, I am repeating. Trisha, just keep quiet, okay? And you can see the video if your network is not okay, okay? Now, portrait is when the frame is in a vertical way. Or when the frame is in vertically. Pujan, you can hear me properly, to beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, have you written that notes and write landscape? Landscape
In horizontal.
when the frame is in horizontal way. Okay? Horizontal, horizontal. Written to these 2 points. Shaurjashi, are
Yes,
you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, okay. Acha, now let me explain that column. Again, I am going to layout. Look, column. There is one option, column. Yes, no? Look in your book, probably at page number 26.
Everyone to mute.
Acha, all the other students mute yourself. Only those who have problem, they can unmute and ask me the problem. Okay, the question. Acha, now column formatting. All of you look at page number, open at page number 26. There is written column formatting. Now look, columns. In the layout option, there is columns now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So when we click, suppose before clicking on this column option, what we have to do? Look, I am clicking on, I am selecting a part.
Page number?
Page number 26. Look, I have selected a portion. Yes or no? The first paragraph I have selected. Yes, so Amitra ji. Suhana.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But ma'am, from someone noises are coming.
Ah, yes. I can also hear.
Just like someone is welding.
Acha, now look at this. Acha, now page layout I am taking.
It is coming.
Page layout I am taking. Look here. If we choose column option, then suppose two column. Column means what? Look, in 2 columns, all the written part, first paragraph is divided now. Yes or no? Have you understood this
It
one?
can be used when you're writing a different question. I mean, when you're writing
Exactly. Suppose
something about. Then you can
look
write.
at your book. It is given important contact info, na? City, then leasing office hours, all the things are written na? Open at page number 27. You can see. Look.
Yes,
Option
ma'am. Yes.
number 4.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now, suppose in the column option, I am taking 3. Look, this has been divided into 3 columns now. All of you are able to see
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Ipshita,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
It is
Anushka, have you
divided.
understood?
only use
Oritra,
one
Suhana, is this clear to all of you?
Some speech.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha. Acha, more columns means you can choose of your choice. Let me explain more columns. Now look, here you can choose the number of columns. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, all of you are able to see it too. And
Yes,
after
ma'am.
that, you have to click on this OK option. Then only it will work. Otherwise, no. Understood? Got it? Yes,
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
After
Yes,
this,
ma'am.
Acha, what it's for Yash, Anuva and Shamia. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, Shoham Mukherjee is there. Rifa, Ashmita. Shoham, Rifa and Ashmita. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Understood. Yes, ma'am.
Orghodip Maji, Shidatri. Reazuddin, Mirza, Oishi and Orpon. Response, otherwise I cannot start the next portion.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Achha, now let me open the book. Which portion you have to mark? So all of some noises are coming.
Ma'am, Pujan Bhakta.
Yes, ma'am. Ujan Bhakta.
Yes, ma'am. From Ujan. Ujan Bhakta.
Pujan, mute yourself. Yummy, all
Ma'am,
of you
your
can
voice
hear me?
Ma'am, your voice get paused
Yes, ma'am.
sometimes.
Ah, yes, I don't know
We
why.
can
Maybe
hear
due
you.
to network issue, okay? Acha, today's weather is very exactly. It is very much cloudy. Acha, now just forget about the weather. Acha, that paragraph, sorry, page size. Just tick on that page to change the page size. Open at page number 26 to change the page size. Click on that portion, huh? Point number 1, 2, and 3. All of you got it? I'm not showing you the page, huh? All of you got it? Point number 1, 2, and 3.
Yes, ma'am. At the first only of the page number
Yes, ma'am.
26.
Page number 26, the first portion. To change the page size. Point 1, 2, and 3. Okay? Now the next one. To use a custom page size. Point 1, 2, 3. You have to read all the thing in detail, huh? From this maybe MCQ type question come, huh? Oh, Anushka, have you marked? Ashmita?
Yes, ma'am.
Achha, next, column formatting. There also 3 points are there, na? The steps of the steps to set a column style are as follows. That 3 options. Okay, done, to?